The US President Donald Trump is expecting to meet now with the North Korean leader Kim Jong Un on the border of North and South Korea.
G'day, how are you? I saw this video yesterday on Sky News Australia and it really interested me. It features US President Donald Trump meeting Chairman of North Korea Kim Jong Un on the demarcation line between South Korea and North Korea. Now, not only for the momentous occasion in the passage of history, this really interested me because of the photography in it. And as you'll see, as the President Trump goes to step over the demarcation line, the photographers just start hanging on their shutters. The continuous mode shooting is a thing of beauty, and we're going to have a listen to it now. Okay, you can hear the cameras now, but just wait till he goes to step over the line. Here we go. Listen to this. That's a thing of beauty. Look at this photography ninja here. Getting a spot, driving in on the other photographers, bumps one of them. Beauty. The media scrum are back here, and they're not happy about these guys. Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Someone's just hanging on this shutter. Oh, that continuous shooting is a thing of beauty. They want these guys to move. Incredible, eh? It's pretty incredible. Some of those photographers just hanging on their shutter buttons. If it was me, I'd be like, cha-chang, cha-chang, cha-chang. Meanwhile, they're like, oh, yeah, it is a thing of beauty. But it's actually quite an interesting video just to see the heat and the intensity in the media scrum and trying to get the shot. All these photographers here, they've all got competing priorities. Some of them are there to make news, some of them are there to make propaganda, some of them are there to have a shootout, like an actual shootout. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I just thought the sound of those continuous shutters was just a thing of beauty, something we all should experience just for the sheer joy of it. But actually, out of this thing, there were a few photographs yesterday that really attracted my interest, and we'll have a look at them now. Okay, the first photo is this one here, which shows Kim Jong Un and Donald Trump on the demarcation line. And it shows the president in a questioning gesture about whether or not he should or could step over the demarcation line. I think this is really great shot because it's nice and wide. It shows the line straight up the middle, and it shows definitely the separation between the two leaders of the countries. So I think this is a really great photo. The next one is this one here, and the reason I really like this photo is it just shows the heat and the intensity of the situation of these photographers here and videographers circling around like buzzards trying to get the shot that they're looking for. And in particular, once again, we see the photography ninja, this lady in the background here in the sneakers. She has actually just driven this photographer out of the pack and around to the front. I really like this photograph as well because there's this peaceful moment happening right here, but there's so much action and activity surrounding them. And the third photograph I really liked was this one here, which shows President Trump and Kim Jong Un standing on the North Korean side of the demarcation zone. It also shows the Korean photographers and also the Korean guard. And also there's a guy in the background here, I'm pretty sure he's an American. He was already over on the North Korean side. That must be part of the protocols. And I also just like the composition, how it's got the military style utilitarian buildings here and then the big palace up on the background. Really, really interesting photograph. Okay, we've jumped back to the video now, and before I sign off, I want to show you something. We're going to look at about 10 seconds. Have a look at the American with the fake hand. Okay.
To meet now with the North Korean leader Kim Jong Un on the...
Okay, we've jumped back now. There's an American guy in shot here at the moment, just right here. And when we start rolling again, you're going to see that's a fake hand.
The border of North and South Korea. Let's take a listen.
You see that fake hand holding onto the suit? That is a fake hand. Mark my words, it's a fake hand, like this. Meanwhile, his real hand is under here, holding a gun. The old Secret Service with the secret hands, not so secret. Have a good day.